Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. We're so glad that you came back. This is our 10th episode. We'd love to hear from you guys. What do you like seeing the most? Do you like seeing the shooting videos, stuff that goes on here, how we make stuff, some of the funny things that me and Dusty get ourselves into? Do you like seeing trips? No. So, of the 10 episodes, what do you guys like coming to see the most? So we'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment down below and let us know, because that's what we want to bring to you guys, is what you want to see around here the most. So, with that said, let's get to this week and see what we have going on. So we got the bumper on yesterday, and alright, I just gained a little helper here. Liam's gonna help me out with this project. So I just got the bumper unwrapped. Thought I'd show you what I went with here. Liam is showing you here the new bumper. This is the Extreme Terrain Barricade Alloy. It does come with steel mounting point for the winch and the toe points. So this is really going to be a nice upgrade, looks wise and function wise, on the Gladiator. Good. Alright, buddy, you want to tell them what we just did?
We took off the front bumper.
Yep, we got front bumper off. Now it's time to start working on getting the new one on. Ready for the next part?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it. We did it, buddy. What do you say?
Good job.
Good job. Alright, let's see here, we got the bumper all installed. Looks pretty good. Couldn't have done it without Liam. That extra set of hands, even tiny hands, helps a lot. Good job, buddy. After I got the bumper on, I decided it looks too naked. It needs some other stuff. So, went out and got these Hella 500 series lights. Just put those on. Thought it looks better, but it's not going to look right without a winch. So, what do we get, buddy?
A winch.
We got a winch. We got a Smitty built. Well, she's all set. Got the winch mounted, wired up. It's working. Lights are working. All I gotta do now is I gotta go get a couple spacers to go underneath these lights to lift them up so I can get the caps to fit. Right now they won't snap under there, but other than that, ready to go. Man, I'm excited. Now it's time to go and get stuck or help someone else get unstuck or pull something. If you need something pulled, let me know. Just got this from Kempter Customs. Custom hitch cover for the Jeep. Man. That's nice. It is a beautiful Wednesday morning, so we're heading out to the range, get a little content, get some video and photos and stuff, and then gonna shoot the steel match while we're out there. It's gonna be good. I'll see you guys there. We got to wrap up from our little range day here and get ready to shoot some steel match. Rick's gonna stick around, shoot the steel match with us. It's gonna be a good time. We are halfway through. How you guys feeling so far?
Well, I almost forgot one last run, but I got it.
I did forget one. I did get warned for 180.
Yeah. Oh,
Pretty standard day.
Greg's normal shitting, man.
Pretty standard day in a match. How you feeling, buddy?
I like that last stage.
Yeah, that was a good one.
It's good.
Going up here, guys.
All right, we just finished our steel match. We had an awesome time. I think we... No, Rick, what? No. So, Dusty, did you have a good time?
Yeah, great time. I shot horribly, but, you know.
Yeah, he did.
Overall.
Rick, it was his first steel match.
Good time.
What'd you do? Yeah, you know, the biggest thing I think is different from tactical shooting is this really makes you think. It's a game, and it makes you think. There's targets you can't see.
No.
Rick. And so I love it just for that reason. So awesome day, and we'll be back out here in a couple weeks. That was this week. Thank you guys for sticking around and watching all of that. We appreciate it so much. If you would, please hit the thumbs up below, hit subscribe, maybe even hit the little bell thingy so that you know when we have a new episode, which is every Tuesday at 3 o'clock. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week. I do have some sad news to bring you guys. We had to say goodbye to Hines, my 11-year-old Labrador. He took a turn for the worse, and it was just time. So Hines has been one of my best friends. He's been by my side for 11 years. He's one of the best hunting dogs a guy could ask for. He's one of the best family members. He loved my kids. He was a great protector and overseer. And he was also, when I started NeoMag, it was just him and I. You know, he was the one that was out here. I was working out of the room in my basement, and it was just him and I. He was always at my side. When I got to go full-time with NeoMag, one of the greatest perks for me was to be able to be here with Hines all the time. He was just the greatest dog ever. So, buddy, this episode's for you. We love you, and we miss you so much.